guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing opening Christmas presents with my dolls, even though it's in the summer. I just like to do it for fun now. Okay, let's get started. Now let's see here. Let's actually get started, Maddie. Okay. Let's wake the kids up. It's Christmas. Look at all the presents they got. Luckies. I got none. Whatever. Kids, wake up. It's Christmas. Hopefully they wake up. I'm just going to sit on the couch and wait for them. It's Christmas. It's Christmas. Guys, it's Christmas. Wake up, wake up. It's Christmas. Yay. Okay, let's go downstairs. Oh my goodness, look at all the Christmas presents we got. Okay, my collection is going to be right here. My collection is going to be right here. And my collection's going to be right here. Okay, kids, get the ones that you have your name on it. Okay. I'm gonna go first. Okay, Evie. Evie. Okay, no more. Okay, Evie, my pile. Okay, I'm next. Okay, I'm gonna get mine.
Smiley.
Mine. And mine. 4. You should all have 4. I fell down. My head kind of hurts now. Okay, my turn. I'm gonna get all mine. Okay. And I caught being first, opening the presents. Okay, I'm gonna come in the middle here and start opening. Okay, first is... Oh my goodness, 2 packs of candy. As you guys know, I love candy. It's Warheads Extreme Sour and Caramels. Kraft Caramel Bites. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to eat those. Next. Oh yay, new stuff to draw with. I always needed a 64 crayon pack of different kinds of colors, and I always need washable Crayola markers. Can't wait to use those. Next is, yay, more candy. We got, what did we get? We got Warheads worms. Cool, I can't wait to eat those. Those sound good. Last, I guess, is, oh my goodness, yay, I've been needing this. I need paint, Crayola paint. I can put that with my new art stuff. I can't wait to use that. Oh, yay, okay, we got 4. I only had 4 presents and they are successful. Okay, my turn. So there's one that looks like candy, so I'm going to do that one first. So cute. Oh, yay, a unicorn squad mini brand. I can't wait to open that. Next. Yay! What are they called? A Shimmer and Shine little character. I think we got I think we got Shine. I didn't know if I was reading that wrong or right. Okay, I got Shine. Next is this thing that's like straight and it says Miley, so I'm guessing it's mine. Yeah, it's a golden candy dispenser. I always been wanting this. I can't wait to put it in my pets. Okay, last but not least, hopefully it's a good one. The best for last, it's a dollhouse. It's a doll cool house. It's for fairies. I don't have the fairies yet, but I'm sure they come in here. Yay! Oh my goodness, I love my things. My presents. But they're very, very, very successful. Successful. Okay, I finally got it right. Okay, it's my turn. Okay, first is Ninja Turtles. I love Ninja Turtles. I can't wait to play with this. Next, says Alex. It's very wrapped neatly.
Alex.
Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, I always wanted a Frisbee to play with Coco. My friend, okay? Next is... Yes, Blaze stickers. I always wanted to decorate my room with those. Well, my new room, I have to still live with my sisters, like in the room still. Okay, best for last. Hopefully this is the best. Oh my goodness, it's a Robo Toy Snake. This is definitely the best for last. Oh my goodness, it looks so real. Can't wait to open these. It was successful. Okay, everybody open their presents. Any gifts for each other? Nope. Okay. You guys want to go on the porch? Sure. Okay, this is the end of the video, so I'm going to put them on the porch, and that's going to be it. Okay.
Hold on the swing.
Okay, bye, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give that like button a smash on the face. Okay?